Hello everyone, so in this video we just start with a Sonata 2016, and on special note, the owner is coming down Sydney from Queensland, Brisbane to be exact. So yep, after a few talk, they decide to do a trip from Brisbane to Sydney for us to repair and replace and upgrade the faulty head unit here in the car. I would verify again with the owner how many times he did replace this broken faulty head unit in this car, but the reason they decide to make the trip is they get enough with it. And okay, so we already checked out the car quickly. The head unit is totally gone. You can see the blue light here, which the power is coming, but it definitely doesn't work. And our mission now is to rescue this and bring it up with the new 7-link system. Okay, let's see how we go on it, and see you on the next one soon.